All right, guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to make your very first crypto trade in under 10 minutes. So by the end of this video, you'll know how to fund your account, how to navigate the trading screen, and how to place both a quick market order and a more professional limit order. Not only that, but you'll also understand how to sell, how to move your money in and out of an exchange, and how to handle fees properly so you don't lose money without realizing it. We'll take it slow, step by step, so grab a coffee or some water and follow along. Trust me, this is going to be way simpler than it looks. Let's go. First things first, you need a safe place to trade. That means picking a reliable exchange. The most important decision you'll make as a beginner is choosing a reputable exchange. Honestly, don't waste time on shady platforms, just stick with the big boys. Exchanges like Binance, Bybit, OKX, or Coinbase are more than enough for 99% of people. They all let you buy, sell, and cash out to your bank, and they all work almost the same way. All of them do the exact same thing. They let you deposit money, buy and sell crypto, and withdraw back to your bank. The layout may differ a little, but the functions are identical. The real difference is the fees and payment methods available in your country. Always double check what you'll be charged per trade and whether your local bank or fintech app connects smoothly. So, for example, if you're in Europe, you might find SEPA transfers cheaper. In the US, you might prefer ACH. In Nigeria, you'll be looking at P2P or fintech apps. The key takeaway is to always check the fees before you pick and make sure the exchange actually supports your local currency. For this video, we are going to use Bybit. Bybit is beginner friendly and has low fees. If you don't have a Bybit account yet, check the link in the description. We have a link to Bybit's sign-up page there, and you stand a chance to get up to $30,000 welcome bonus when you use our link. Cool, so you've picked an exchange and created an account. Now you will need to get some money into the platform. On your exchange, go to your Buy Crypto section. Here you'll see all the methods you can use to get money into the exchange. Here on Bybit, you have about 5 options, like P2P, which allows users to buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly with each other, using fiat currency, rather than trading through the Bybit exchange itself. It's a community-driven system where users can negotiate terms and prices, with Bybit holding the crypto in escrow to ensure security and prevent fraud until the payment is confirmed by both parties. This feature offers more flexibility and can involve 0 transaction fees for users. You have one-click buy, which allows you to buy and sell using fiat currency. The process is designed for ease of use, connecting users to various fiat payment options like bank cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, third-party providers, or their existing fiat balance, all through a single interface. The next one is fiat deposit. The method allows you to deposit money directly from your bank account to Bybit. You can transfer our traditional money, such as USD, Euro, or Yen, from your bank directly into your Bybit account to buy cryptocurrencies from here. The fourth one, which says convert, can only work when you already have some money or crypto available in your Bybit account. The last and fifth method is crypto deposit, which allows you to send cryptocurrency from an external wallet or another exchange to your Bybit account using a blockchain transaction. All of these methods are simple and straightforward. Let's say I want to deposit using fiat deposit. I will click on that. Here is where I will put the amount I want to deposit, let's say $100 or Euro, for example. And from this dropdown, I can select the currency. Down here, the system gives me options, bank transfer to and fintech apps, depending on what the exchange supports. Choose the method that's cheapest and most convenient for you. I already have some USDT available in my account already, so I don't have to go through that again. Note that before you can do this, almost all major exchanges will require KYC, know your customer. That means uploading an ID card, a passport, maybe even a proof of address. Annoying, yes, but it's necessary because exchanges are regulated. Think of it as a safety step. You're putting money into a financial platform, so they need to know who you are. Now, the fun part. Once your money is deposited, go to the Trade section and click Spot Trading. This is what the trading screen looks like. At first, it might look like you've entered NASA's Mission Control Center, but let me break it down so it's not scary. On the top left corner is where you will see the pair that you have selected to trade. Right now, I have Bitcoin against USDT selected. And if I hover my mouse over this Bitcoin icon, or logo, a search box will pop up, and from here I can search for a new pair, or select the coin I want to buy down here if it is available. In the middle, you have the chart that shows price movements. And here we have the order book, basically buyers at the bottom, sellers at the top. These are real-time active buy and sell orders. When you submit an order to buy or sell, your order goes into the order book, and if another order matches the price you want to buy or sell, then it will be executed immediately. Let me show you how this works in practice. The bottom half of the order book, buyers' bids. They're saying, I'll buy Bitcoin at this price. The top half, sellers. They're saying, I'll sell Bitcoin at this price. So, if I place a limit order to buy at $113,000, my order shows up in the bid section. It waits there until a seller is willing to match my price. If the market is currently at $115,000, nothing happens yet because my price is too low, but my order is still active, sitting there. If the market drops, I get filled. If not, I don't. At the extreme right corner, we have the execution button. You can switch between buy and sell from here. You can choose between market and limit orders. We will talk about that in a bit. This is where you can see the available balance you have. Think of the trading screen as your dashboard. It looks complicated, but you only need to focus on a few parts to make your first trade. Every trade happens between two assets, one you're buying, one you're selling. For example, BTC USD means Bitcoin traded against US dollars. ETH USDT means Ethereum traded against the stablecoin Tether. BTC EUR means Bitcoin traded against euros. So if you deposited euros, don't try to trade BTC USD. Look for BTC EUR instead. Here's what you need to know. If BTC EUR is saying 98,000 here, that means one Bitcoin costs 98,000 euros. But you don't need to buy one whole Bitcoin. You can buy fractions, 10 euros worth, 100 euros worth, whatever you like. That's the beauty of crypto. You can start small.
Now let's place our first order. Because I have USDT, I'm going to change the pair that I am trading with to USDT. And then I will select the coin I want to buy, which is Bitcoin. Go to the buy-sell section in the right corner and select Market Order. What does this mean? A market order is an instruction to the system where you tell it how much that you want to spend, and you don't care about the price of the asset. You just want to buy with this amount. So let's say I want to spend $20 in USDT to get Bitcoin. If I type $20 right here, when I press Buy BTC, it is going to go out into the market. This is the real market right here of buyers and sellers. And as soon as I press, it's going to take my 20 USDT and it's going to go and buy it at the best possible price, which right now is this one right here, right? So the lowest offer is the cheapest Bitcoin I can buy, and I'm going to buy that. Market orders are great for beginners because they're simple and fast. The only downside? You don't know the exact price you're paying until after it goes through, because the price can move in seconds. What I just did is telling the system, I've got $20 right here, go and buy Bitcoin at the best price right now. Now let's get a little more advanced. The limit order. Market orders are fast and easy, but it's slightly more professional to use limit orders, and we can have more control over the trade. Choose limit right here, and what we do now is choose the price that we're willing to buy at. So what I'm going to do is put my order price in here with a limit of 112,700. What I'm telling the system now is that I'm a buyer. Enter my order right now. I'm willing to pay 112,700 per 1 unit of BTC. Or if you get a better price than that, that's great too. My limit though is 112,700 and I can't pay above that. So we're going to go ahead and buy this amount of Bitcoin right here, $50 worth. If I click buy, it will enter my open orders ASAP. My order has not been executed, but my order is in. It's active or working. You've got the parameters right here, and the system will keep it there on the order book, waiting for a seller to come in and match with my buyer. So I'm a buyer at 112,700 or better. If a seller comes in and matches, I'll go ahead and trade. However, for right now, I can't trade because I'm not near the market, but I am working in the order. If you want to go ahead and see the details here, you can edit them. You can edit the price and the quantity, or just on the right-hand side, you can cancel this order. The order has been canceled, so my order's out the system. Now I won't trade at all because I've not got an order in the system. Instead of accepting whatever price the market gives you, a limit order lets you say, I only want to buy if Bitcoin reaches this specific price.
Now, if I want to sell, let's say I want to sell the $20 worth of Bitcoin that I bought using market order earlier, I just have to come here and switch to sell by clicking on the sell button. Then again, I have to choose if I want to sell using limit or market order. I'm going to use market order because I don't want to waste time. The video is above 10 minutes already, and I said earlier that it will be less than 10 minutes video. Here, I can put the quantity of Bitcoin that I want to sell. I can do it by percent using this wheel. I want to sell all, so I keep to 100%. Once I click sell, as you can see, my order has been executed. All right, that's it for this deep dive. Hopefully, this gave you a clear picture of how to make your first crypto trade without stress. If this helped, drop a comment and let me know, are you buying Bitcoin, Ethereum, or maybe something else as your first trade? And if you found this video useful, hit that like button and subscribe. We've got a lot more beginner-friendly tutorials coming up, and I don't want you to miss them. Until next time, stay smart, stay disciplined, and welcome to the world of crypto trading.